Modern engines are pretty smart about recycling, and that is exactly what the Exhaust Gas Recirculation, or EGR system does, by taking some of that hot exhaust and sending it back into the engine to be burned again, which cools down the combustion process and reduces nasty emissions. But when you get a code like P040E, it means the temperature sensor, specifically sensor A in that system, is acting intermittent or erratic. Essentially, the brain of your car, the ECM, is getting confusing signals that jump all over the place, and it does not know if the exhaust gas is hot, cold, or flowing at all. This might not leave you stranded on the side of the road immediately, but it will definitely cause you to fail a smog test, and you might hear your engine knocking or pinging because the fuel mixture is off. You might also smell a strong exhaust odor, which is never pleasant. Since this sensor lives in the exhaust system, it lives in a brutal environment with extreme heat cycles. The first thing you should do is pop the hood and look for black soot around the EGR valve and pipes. Soot is a telltale sign of an exhaust leak, and if air is getting in or exhaust is leaking out, it throws the sensor readings off completely. Also, check the wiring harness connected to the sensor, because that intense heat can melt plastic insulation and cause wires to short out or become brittle and crack. If the wiring looks good, the problem is often just dirty buildup. Over time, carbon and soot cake onto the sensor, effectively insulating it so it cannot read the temperature changes fast enough. You can try removing the sensor to clean it, but be very careful. These things get baked into the metal after years of heat, and if you force it, you might snap it off, which turns a 10-minute job into a nightmare. A pro tip is to heat the area around the sensor with a torch, if you have one, or use a good penetrating oil and let it sit before you try to twist it out. Once it is out, clean it with some carburetor cleaner and a wire brush to get that gunk off. When you put it back in, use a little anti-seize on the threads so the next person does not have to fight it. If cleaning does not work and the wiring is solid, you are likely looking at a dead sensor that needs a replacement. It's a simple part, but it plays a big role in keeping your engine running clean and efficient.